Oh, hi there. Hey, it's Terry from Normal Gadgets. No matter how careful you are about your devices, you're always at risk of being infected with malware. While there's no such thing as zero risks, you can reduce your chances of being targeted with proper precautions. Millions of PCs worldwide are infected with malware, and it's usually not easy to spot the threats. One of the most important tools you have in the fight against cyber criminals is keeping your apps and system updated. Now an app masquerading as an Android update has been discovered, and it's full of malware. Most security companies, Imperium, recently discovered this malware disguising itself as an Android system update application. Once you've downloaded it, it can do a number on your phone. As a remote access Trojan, RAT, this malicious software steals and exports data and can even take control of your phone. Here are some of the destructive things that the app can do. It can steal instant messenger messages and text messages, steal your phone contacts, inspect bookmarks and search history, record video and audio, steal images, take its own images, monitor GPS location, send out your information about your phone. That's a lot. The app conceals itself away from the phone's menu. It uploads data in small amounts to the attacker's server to limit its exposure, making it very difficult to find and track and or get rid of. It is triggered by actions such as a phone call, a new text message, or the addition of a new contact. While this particular example of malware affects Android phones, it can happen to any phone from any manufacturer. Although official app stores like Google Play are not 100% safe against malicious apps, they are better than the third-party app stores. The fake Android app in question was never available through Google Play, so be assured there. Apps are wonderful tools for pleasure and convenience, but they are not always safe. The best way to avoid malicious apps like this is to stay away from those third-party app stores. Official app stores like Apple's App Store and the Google Play Store have longer vetting policies to keep malicious apps out. They're not foolproof, but they're much safer than the third-party downloads. You have to be careful. Next, make sure to do some research before you download an app. Look at reviews. Make sure there are no warnings from other users. A quick Google search on an app developer could also tip you off to potential problems. Thank you, Kim Commando, for letting us know about this important update. We've got your back here at Normal Gadgets, updating you and keeping you safe online. Call us at 309-807-3333 if we can help, or you can come visit us here in beautiful Bloomington. Thank you.